Welcome to the Bladed Tech Channel's 54th edition in our series discussing events in innovation, science, technology, and space exploration. Virgin Galactic's SpaceShipTwo made its second flight to space in 2021 on July 11th with its first full crew and featuring among the passengers company founder Sir Richard Branson himself. VSS Unity, with pilots Mike Masucci and Dave McKay on board, lifted under its White Knight II carrier aircraft from Spaceport America in New Mexico at 10:40 a.m. Eastern. Unity released from the carrier 45 minutes later and fired its hybrid rocket motor. 60 seconds of thrust was enough to bring Unity to 53 miles in altitude before gliding back to a runway landing at Spaceport America at 11:38 a.m. The flight was the second human launch to space from New Mexico. Unity achieved a speed of Mach 3 after being released from the mothership, VMS Eve. The flight was the 22nd test of the VSS Unity. The crew fulfilled a number of test objectives related to the cabin and customer experience, including evaluating the commercial customer cabin, the views of Earth from space, the conditions for conducting research, and the effectiveness of the 5-day pre-flight training program at Spaceport America. Michael Colglazer, CEO of Virgin Galactic, said, quote, "Today is a landmark achievement for the company and a historic moment for the new commercial space industry. With each successful mission, we are paving the way for the next generation of astronauts. Our talented team are helping open the door for greater access to space, so it can be for the many and not just for the few." Branson said after the flight, quote, "As part of a remarkable crew of mission specialists, I'm honored I helped validate the journey our future astronauts will undertake and ensure we deliver the unique customer experience people expect from Virgin. I have dreamt about this moment since I was a child, but nothing could have prepared me for the view of Earth from space. This flight reinforces my belief that space belongs to all of us. After more than 16 years of research, engineering, and testing, Virgin Galactic stands at the vanguard of a new commercial space industry, which is set to open space to humankind and change the world for good. It's one thing to have a dream of making space more accessible to all. It's another for an incredible team to collectively turn that dream into reality." Other than Branson, the crew participants included Beth Moses, Virgin Galactic's chief astronaut instructor, Colin Bennett, the company's lead operations engineer, and Sarisha Bandla, Virgin Galactic's vice president of government affairs and research operations. Moses served as cabin lead and test director in space, overseeing the safe and efficient execution of the test flight objectives, and experience during both the boost phase and in the weightless environment. And Bandla evaluated the human-tended research experience using an experiment from the University of Florida that requires several handheld fixation tubes that will be activated at various points in the flight profile. Before we take a look at Virgin Galactic's business outlook, let us know if you are enjoying our 54th short for space exploration, science, and technology. If so, click that like button. What did you think of Branson's flight to near space, as it will compare to Jeff Bezos' upcoming flight on the new Shepard above the Kármán line? Go ahead and share with us by dropping a comment below. We hope you have been enjoying our content. Have we earned your subscription to our channel? If yes, and you have not yet taken the opportunity to subscribe, please take a moment to do so now and click the bell notification icon so you don't miss upcoming videos. We want to continue delivering great content to you. You can always unsubscribe, and subscribing is free. Virgin Galactic went public in October of 2019 through a merger with a SPAC. Shares of the company are well short of the $59 closing high set in February of 2021, falling after news of significant stock sales by two of the company's major investors, Chairman Chamath Palihapitiya and Branson himself. The founder's Virgin Group holding company still commands a 24% stake in Virgin Galactic. The SpaceShipTwo fleet currently consists of only one operational test space frame, the company's second spacecraft, the VSS Unity. The first test space frame, the VSS Enterprise, tragically failed during a power test flight in October of 2014, killing one of its pilots, Michael Alsbury. A third space frame, currently unnamed, is under construction at the Virgin Galactic subsidiary, the Spaceship Company's manufacturing facility at the Mojave Air and Spaceport in California. Virgin Galactic ordered 3 new White Knight II carrier aircraft and 5 SpaceShipTwo space frames in July of 2011, but persistent technical problems with the VSS Unity and the first White Knight II aircraft, the VMS Eve, have exploded development costs and brought spaceframe and airframe production to a crawl. Both Unity and its White Knight II carrier VMS Eve will then be refurbished before beginning regular commercial operations, which Virgin Galactic now anticipates to be no sooner than early 2022. In contrast, competitor Blue Origin expects to start suborbital human flights in July of 2021 on its new Shepard rocket and capsule. The Blue Origin capsule is expected to reach 65 miles in altitude and offer 10 minutes of weightlessness to passengers. Publicly, Virgin Galactic is still enthusiastic. CEO Michael Colglazer recently told investors that despite years of delays, the company still has an aggressive trajectory. From just a single operational VSS Unity spaceplane today, flying out of Spaceport America, New Mexico, Virgin Galactic plans to build entire fleets of spaceplanes and to fly them out of multiple spaceports around the world. Eventually, Virgin Galactic hopes to be launching spaceplanes 400 times per year per spaceport. The problem is that the capital investment of Virgin Galactic's plan is enormous and the risks significant, requiring beefy returns by investors. The company has suggested to investors that they will be able to demand ticket prices as high as $417,000 each, generating $1 billion in revenue per spaceport per year. Virgin Galactic originally advertised a price of $250,000 per passenger for the company's first 600 passengers. Blue Origin has vowed to match competitor prices, putting a possible lid on ticket values, and the projections of demand for six-figure suborbital joyrides are murky at best. It remains to be seen whether suborbital tourism will be able to support two players or no players at all. Links to some of our most recent episodes can be found in the description section below. You can peruse our entire 250 plus video library by looking at our playlists, which conveniently sort videos by subject. We announce all new videos on our microblogging accounts, which are listed below, as well as in the community feed for this channel. Want to know how to navigate our channel content? We refer to retrotech and innovation documentary segments as episodes. Coverage of current events in space exploration, science, and technology are labeled as shorts. Space and tech history are documented in an anthology called Milestones. And gameplay recordings can be discovered on the Bladed Tech Gaming channel in videos called Walkthroughs and Side Missions. Stay connected by occasionally checking our Instagram feed and Minds page, where we post content from our upcoming episodes and from episodes past that you may have missed, and where we cover current news and events related to channel content. Thanks for watching.